I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a repository and a local project folder. Initialize or clone the repo so you have a working copy of files. Once done, create index, HTML and a basic HTML structure, then git add, git commit, and git push to upload your first version. Make sure to choose SSH or HTTPS consistently to avoid auth errors. This gets you from 0 to a tracked project in minutes and sets the stage for publishing. You now iterate on the site using branches to keep work isolated. Create a feature branch, edit index, HTML and linked CSS, and test changes in your browser before committing. Once satisfied, push the branch and open a pull request to merge into the publish branch. This preserves history and enables code review. Make sure to enable GitHub pages in repo settings and select the correct branch and folder so your HTML. You finish by merging the final pull request, tagging a release if needed, and verifying the page's URL serves your site. If you see a 404, confirm the publish branch and path. If assets fail, check relative paths and case sensitivity. For mixed content, switch to HTTPS links. Once complete, consider adding a GitHub Actions workflow to automate builds and tests so future changes deploy smoothly. This prevents repeated manual fixes and speeds iteration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.